In the 2021 winter session of the Parliament, the bill to change the legal age of marriage of women to 21 was introduced. Could an increase in the age of marriage lead to better economic opportunities for women? And what would it mean for constitutional rights? Hi, my name is Sarah, and in this video we discuss provisions of Prohibition of Child Marriage Amendment Bill 2021 and some issues for consideration. The bill amends the 2006 Prohibition of Child Marriage Act to bring the marriageable age of women at par with men to 21. In line with this amendment, the age until which a child marriage can be annulled by either party who were married as children has been extended to 23 years for women. In addition, the bill also amends the Act to say that it will have overriding effect over all personal laws relating to marriages. According to the 2017 and 18 NSSO data, marriage as a reason to drop out of school was fourth in the list, with 13.2% of women stating that as a reason. The need to engage in domestic activities, financial constraints, and lack of interest in education were primary reasons. Coming to labor force participation, women who are not literate and women with postgraduate degrees had a similar level of workforce participation. This suggests that there are other factors at play besides access to education that can affect women's participation in the labor force. A 2017 ILO study noted a lack of economic opportunities, the effect of wealthier households seeing limited participation from women, and underreporting of women's participation in the labor market as reasons for a low LFPR. Uttar Pradesh has a child marriage rate of 15.8%, lower than the average of 23%. However, the IMR and MMR in the state is among the highest in the country. In West Bengal, Bihar, Tripura, the instances of child marriage are much higher than the national average of 23%. While IMR, MMR and SRB are poor in these states, they are much better than several other states where instances of child marriage are low. This suggests that child marriage or age of marriage might not be the only reason for poor IMR or MMR. To a parliament question, the Women and Child Development Minister noted that there is no credible evidence to say that child marriage and high incidence of IMR and MMR are interlinked. Further, the overall improving trend of IMR and MMR seem to suggest that improvement in nutrition levels, reduction in poverty, and other socio-economic factors may be more pertinent. According to the NFHS 5 data, 23.3% of women between the ages of 20 to 24 married before the age of 18. At the same time, as the 2020 NCRB data shows, only 785 cases of child marriage were reported across India under the PCMA Act. This suggests that despite almost a quarter of women between the age of 20 to 24 getting married before the age of 18, only a small fraction of cases get reported, and such marriages continue to take place. This raises the question whether increasing the legal age of marriage would work as a strong deterrent, given the minimum age of 18 has failed to do so over the last 4 decades. The amendment raises the minimum age of marriage to 21 when a person attains majority at the age of 18. By not allowing adults to marry until they turn 21, the bill may be violating a citizen's right to life and personal liberty under Article 21 of the Constitution. For more bills and other updates on Parliament and policy, please visit our website www.prsindia.org.